Hi, this is PuzzlePlane. I found this model on Thingiverse. Here's a link to the Thingiverse page in case you want to print one yourself. I printed this out of Amazon Basics PETG. I printed it at 0.2 millimeter layer height, 20% infill. I think it could probably be done with less infill. It is quite heavy. I'm going to weigh it in a moment. PuzzlePlane has magnets between all the pieces, so it comes apart. Lots of individual parts. That's fully disassembled, and then to put it back together, whoops. So you got to be a little bit careful because it will fall apart under its own weight when you set it down. Let's be a little more gentle with it this time. There we go. So there is a little bit of a gap here between those two pieces. You kind of scrunch it all together. The gap will go away. Just kind of some flex in how the magnets come together. Like I say, you have to be a little bit gentle with it. If you drop it, it goes to pieces. Part of the fun is putting it back together. So let's see if we can see what he weighs in at. So it weighs in at 14 ounces. You know, that's all the plastic and the magnets. There's about 60 some odd magnets in this. I do think it would have been fine with 10% or 15% infill instead of the 20%. So one of the complications in this was putting all these magnets in. You glue them in with super glue. As you can see, sometimes I get some of the super glue drips out, and you know, it kind of marks the plastic. Some sanding might clear that up. But you know, generally those surfaces where you can see the super glue residue are usually covered. Okay, so do you want to see PuzzlePlane in Octolap so you can see all the parts being printed? Well, of course you do. Here it goes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If this sort of thing interests you, then please subscribe and I will make more of them. Thank you.